Hello, my name is Carrie Pilling, and today I'm going to be talking about SQL Server 2014 installation. This is for HAP 709 Healthcare Databases at George Mason University. The first step is to go to the website, the Academic Software Center, and here you'll see a screenshot of what that will look like once you go to that web page. From here, you're going to click on the Start Shopping page. From here, you're going to register or you're going to sign in using your username and password. If you're registering for the first time, you're going to use your gmu.emu email account, and they're going to send you an email and you're going to continue with the registration that way. So go ahead and put in your username and password once you've made your account. After you sign in, it's going to bring you back to the main page, only this time you're going to see your username up in the right-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click the Start Shopping. From here, on the left-hand side, you're going to see Servers, and you're going to click that tab. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Microsoft SQL Server 2014 and click on it. The sixth step is to click on the SQL Server 2014 Standard Edition with the Service Pack 1. From here, you're going to go ahead and add that into your cart. The next page is going to give you your order number, and it's going to show you what exactly you're going to be able to download. As long as you have the SQL Server 2014 Standard Edition with the Service Pack, the 32/64-bit, go ahead and click the download button. Your next step is to determine which bit to download. It gives you two options. You can either download the 32-bit or the 64-bit. And I'm going to show you how to look that up on your computer. If you go to your control panel and click on the System and Security tab, and then click on the Systems, and then under the system type, it will either say 64-bit operating system or 32-bit, and that's how you know which one you can download. So going back to mine, since I can download the 64-bit, I went ahead and clicked download, and then you will see that downloading in the bottom of your screen. And the time it downloads is all dependent on your computer. After I downloaded mine, I had this pop up, and I actually had to go into the setup and have my administrator go ahead and give me access. From there, you will be able to complete the installation steps. You want to go ahead and click on the New SQL Server Standalone or the Add Features to an Existing Installation, the top one. It will go ahead and tell you to please wait for the Microsoft SQL Server 2014 setup process to begin. You know that it was working. As soon as the installation setup files are complete, it will allow you to either click the back button, the next button, or the cancel, and go ahead and push next. From here is the installation rules. Everything will usually pass minus the Windows firewall if you have that set up in your computer. If not, it will all pass. Go ahead and click Next. If there's any difficulty, if you click on the status, it will go ahead and tell you what is wrong so that you are able to complete the process. From here, you want to click on the Perform a New Installation for SQL Server 2014. And then once you clicked on that, go ahead and push Next. Here you want to put in your product key that will automatically pop up if you have an account with your university. If not, you might want to purchase a key. After you enter in the key, go ahead and push Next. And then it will bring you to the license term and conditions page of the setup. Go ahead and read through that and click the I accept the license terms, and then click Next. From here, it's the setup role, and you go ahead and click on the first little button, the SQL Server Feature Installation, and click Next. From here, you're going to go into the featured selection, and you're going to go ahead and click the first box under the database engine services, and it will automatically select all the boxes that relate to it. Go ahead and click the next button. Next, we're going to go to the instance configuration, and you can either name your instance or choose the default instance. I went ahead and clicked on the default instance, and it gave me my own instant ID name. If that's easier for you, you can go ahead and do the same. If not, you can rename it something else. And then go ahead and click the next button. From here, you're going to move on to the server configuration and just click the next. On the database engine configuration, I went ahead and added the current users. There's 2 people that use my computer, so I went ahead and added them on as the administrators. And once you do that, you can click Next. From here, you are ready to install. So go ahead and click the Install button. Once it's done, it will give you a pop-up page that says Complete, and you can go down and see that every box is marked and click Close. You have now successfully installed your SQL Server 2014. Thank you for listening.